So we got these two tables from Amazon to put behind our couch to have a place to put a cup or a plate or speakers over there. But they are incredible. They're really slender and fit nicely put together. We decided to get two. They also have a really nice charging port on both of them. So 2 regular chargers and then 2 USB chargers. And we love the way it's come together. So there's one behind that portion of the couch and then one behind that portion of the couch. Highly recommend.
So here's the table located behind my sectional couch. It's exactly what I wanted. Got a really strong, sturdy top. You have 2 USB ports, 2 outlets to be able to charge your phones. I wanted this to be able to reach behind the couch and grab things and to display my plants. So it was very easy to put together. And there you go.